Today, I'm going back out into the city to do some street photography. It's kind of raining and really cloudy, which is perfect lighting conditions for street photography. So I'm gonna step out and, I thought I'd take you guys along with me as I do some rainy day photography. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some street photography. So today I'm shooting with the 85mm f1.4. I started walking in the city, just looking around and trying to find some great compositions. I really love the use of foreground in my photos. I feel like it helps to add depth. In this photo here, I like the fact that I'm using the wall to kind of frame the building right behind it. And since I'm all in the shadow, all this foreground and all this lighting is really adding a lot of contrast and making the building stand out. I saw this lady walking with an umbrella and I quickly put my camera up to capture her, because if I was looking away and if I wasn't focused, then I would have missed it. I was so lucky that I saw her and that I was shooting in burst mode, because if not, then I would have missed the moment. But that's what street photography is, right? Everything happens so fast, you kind of have to be ready for everything. Now, one of my favorite composition tricks is the use of foreground. Now, it's really simple, but it adds so much depth to your photos. Now, these photos are all edited with my Moody Lightroom preset, which you can find using the first link in the description below. It's a great preset. I use it all the time, and I really know that you guys are gonna love it. I guarantee it. I really loved shooting during this day because the lighting was just so smooth, so moody, and cloudy days are just the best for photography. Now, I wanted to take a photo of this building here, but I wasn't really satisfied with the composition. So what I ended up doing is just stepping back a little bit and using this wall as a foreground to help isolate the building and frame it a little better. So if there's one thing that you guys should take away from this video is foreground, foreground, foreground. At some point, I stumbled upon an alleyway with a bunch of graffiti and I got really excited. Whoa, look at this alleyway. Insane. I ended up taking a lot of photos and it was really such a great experience, and I love cloudy day photography so much. So these are the photos that I captured during my rainy day street photography walk. Again, all these photos were edited using my Lightroom Moody preset, which you can find using the first link in the description below. If you want to see me edit more Moody street photography photos, then you can watch this video right here where I do all of that, and you can click here also to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're so close and I know we can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, keep creating. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.